What's up, guys? Back with the EPSON F2000. Got up in there, got a lot of that gunk up out of there. It's looking much better. We got this all cleaned out. All the hoses are clear. So we put a new filter in there. We're gonna hook the tubes up to that collection plate. And yeah, it's going pretty good. Still got more cleaning to do on this side. I was trying to get all up in there, but then this connects to that to this. But yeah, we're doing good. Trying to clean out the 3 lines for the 2 whites and the yellow right here. They're all clogged up. So working on those. And yeah. Pretty much using a blend of 99% alcohol, distilled water. I'm using some of the fiber tube wash, which is excellent. That's really unclogging a lot of stuff. But yeah, check back in.